Hi everyone. Welcome to another tutorial by Dr. Techno. Today, I'm going to show you a really cool feature in macOS called Head Pointer and Smile Click. So let's get started. First, navigate to System Settings. Click on Accessibility, and scroll down to Pointer Control. Go ahead and click on it and toggle on Head Pointer. Then, click on the little eye icon and adjust the speed to 100, or to whatever speed you feel comfortable with. Next, toggle on Alternative Pointer Actions. Click on the eye again, and edit or add the action you like. For example, I'm going to set up a facial expression, like a smile, to trigger a double click. Now, if I take my hands away, I can move the pointer by moving my head around, and when I smile, it will be detected by my webcam and perform the double-click action to open my file, Handsfree. This feature is super handy when you're eating, writing, or multitasking, so you don't need to touch your trackpad or mouse. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please subscribe to our channel, and have a great day.